Okay. So I've gone through the questions here in the first page. As you can see that these are the essential skills needed. So in primary 3, you learn about magnetic force, right? So magnetic force, they are used to separate magnetic from non-magnetic material. So the first blank here is non-magnetic. And powerful magnets in the maglev train. Maglev train, we all know, right, is a magnetic levitation. So this train actually first was introduced in Japan or in Germany. They use powerful temporary magnets, right, or electromagnets to cause repulsion. So the magnet actually floats above the track. So this reduces friction. Okay. So disadvantage of frictions are causes wear and tear. As we can see, the sole of this shoe is being worn out and causes unnecessary heat. So, machines, they need to use lubricant like oil to reduce the frictional force. So take note of part B, because this commonly tested in your exam, that for germination, no light is needed. You only need these 3 factors: warm, oxygen, and water. Okay, warm, oxygen, and water. And frog doesn't eat grass because frog is a carnivore. It eats insects. And the digestion completes in the small intestine, not the large intestine. Okay, a whale is not a fish, it is a mammal. In fact, it's a sea mammal. Okay, let's continue the next page. Okay, can I ask Isabella, can you read the question 3 paragraph, this part?
Fungi are not classified as plants because they do not have roots and leaves. They also don't contain chlorophyll, so they can't make their own food. Mold is a type of fungi that can be found on stale bread, cakes, and leather goods. Fungi are produced through spores. Fungi and bacteria are important because they help to decay
No, decompose.
or decompose down dead plants and animals. The conditions for fungi to grow are presence of oxygen, moisture, and ideal temperature.
Yeah, correct. So you notice here, right, because this blank, usually students make mistake. This part. The more is what?
A type of microorganism that only can be seen through a microscope.
Actually, more is not microorganism. More is a fungi. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like a microorganism because you can't see it quite with bare eye.
No, actually, more is not microorganism. Microorganism is another classification. Yeah. So like this blank here, this blank, usually student put wrongly, is more. Yeah, I type here, more. Okay, more. Okay, because sometimes they put mushroom. They see the word fungi, they put mushroom. And then this one is decompose. Okay. Decompose means the fungi, because there are 2 decomposers that you all learn. It's actually fungi and bacteria. They break down. Actually, the scientific word is called decompose. Decompose means they break down dead organism into simpler substances. Okay, you take note of the word simpler, it's not smaller. So this word here, simpler substances. Okay, conditions for fungi to grow are just like I told you, the WOW, right? Sometimes it's also called the wow factor. Okay, the WOW. But in this case, I put oxygen, warm, and what? And ideal temperature. So these 3 conditions. Okay, any question regarding this? Can continue? Can continue. Okay, so I clear screen. Okay, next person. Emily, can you read number 4? Yeah, you read number 4, can?
All mammals.
So, yeah, all mammals. All mammals are what? There's a hint behind. Meaning the body temperature does not change with surrounding. So all mammals are what? You know this word? Start with W1. Yeah, warm-blooded.
meaning that their core body temperature does not change with the surrounding. They
Emily, can you read a bit louder?
They respire through
Okay,
lungs and
lungs, correct. And has what?
hair or fur
Correct.
on
Their body covering.
body covering.
Yes,
Most mammals give birth to young, except
correct.
spiny, anteater, and platypus.
Okay,
Female
this animal,
produces milk
okay, you know
from
this one, right? Spiny anteater. Except the spiny anteater. This word here. Okay, the spiny anteater is actually this creature down here. You can see down here, right? I have actually drawn the picture for you because yours is black and white. Your mom print out, but the colorful one is here. This one, spiny anteater. Okay, so this is a spiny anteater. This is a what?
Animal next.
Huh? Animal next. Oh, correct. So they are different. This is a bigger size one. Okay, spiny anteater. This is a platypus. Okay, this is a platypus. So later you spell the word platypus. Platypus. Okay, can I check with you? Last year when you're at P3, did your teacher show you these two animals?
No, only at P4.
At P4, then they show.
Yeah.
Hey, but by the way, this is under animal classification. It's a P3 topic. Okay, never mind. As I show you here already, this one. So these two are special mammals, okay? Because most mammals, they give birth to young alive, but these two, the spiny anteater and the platypus, they lay eggs. Okay. A whale is not a fish because it breathes through lungs, and is warm-blooded. It does not have gills. Okay. So continue this one. And a whale is a sea mammal. You write this SEA, sea mammal. Okay, sea mammal. Okay, any question regarding this? This is respiratory lungs, has hair. Okay, so the opposite is also true. So animals which are not warm-blooded, right? If they are cold-blooded, the body temperature changes with the surrounding. Oh, the body temperature changes with the surrounding. So later I will show you, after this number 5, this part, I will show you some YouTube videos to stimulate your interest in understanding these animals. Okay, next, Santa, can you read number 5?
All
Number 5.
insects have 3 body parts, 6 legs, and they all lay eggs to reproduce. A spider is not an insect because it has 3 body parts and 8 legs.
Yeah, correct. No, spider actually got 2 body parts, not 3. Spider has 2 body parts and 8 legs. Insect have 3 body parts and 6 legs. Okay, next, Jia Yi, can you read number 6?
All birds have wings, but not all can fly.
Yes,
They
correct.
are also warm-blooded and lay eggs to reproduce. All birds have a beak and 2 legs.
Yeah, so you know, all birds have a beak, because only birds have beak. But this one, last time they say, this one like has a beak also, the platypus. So this is a weird creature. This actually is a bill, right? Okay, next, Jude, can you read number 7? Jude.
All fishes are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded meaning that their core body temperature changes with the environmental temperature. They respire through gills. Most lay eggs except guppy, mollies, angelfish, etc.
Yeah. So the first blank is guppy. Guppy is this fish over here. This is molly. This is a molly, and this is the angelfish. Okay, these three fish actually you can find commonly in the pet shop. So if you go and rear some guppies, male and female, they will reproduce. If you rear them well. Similarly for molly and angelfish. Okay, these three are fish. Okay, now I will do the pause recording this part. And then I will show you some video regarding this. Okay, so just hang on for a while.